So today we are going to learn about Numpy project. So far we have seen how to use functions, loops, arrays, list. Now we will be learning how to do Numpy. So Numpy is a package library that is used for numerical operations and especially with arrays. So first of all we will import Numpy as NP. Then we will take the input from the user. Then we will convert input string to list of integers. So we are using user input dot split so that we can remove the spaces. We can turn the string into a list. Then the list comprehension int x for x converts each item to an integer. Then np.array creates the numpy array. Then this statement is used to display the original array. Then for performing operations like sum and mean, we are using np.sum function and the np.mean function. Then for reshaping the dimensions, like if you want to print it in the matrices format, so for that we will be using rows and columns. And so we have to take the input from the user, whether how many rows it has to print or how many columns it has to print. The user inputs values like 2 and 3 for reshaping into a matrix. Check if the total number of elements equals to the number of items in the array. If not equal, then reshaping won't work. Reshaping the 1D array into a 2D matrix using the user's dimensions. So we will just see how it converts. So first of all it is asking for the numbers. So we will enter 6 numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can input any 6 numbers or how many numbers you want, that much. So now we have to enter the number of rows for reshaping. Let's consider we put it 3. So now we have to enter the number of columns. So 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So it will reshape array into 3 into 2 matrix. But in case if we enter the wrong number, so let's see what happens. So this is the message that it is going to show: error, cannot reshape array to the given dimensions. So this is a simple program